Alright, so someone sent us a message. Ito sabi niya, I have a question, can you help? Good evening, sir. Ako po yung sa TikTok na nagpapacheck ng calculation about quadratic equations by completing the square. Here's my calculation po. So ito yung calculation niya, and then we'll try to see whether that is correct. Alright, so again, the equation is ito. 3x squared plus 8x minus 3 equals 0. So again, always remember when you do completing the square, ang gagawin natin is the constant will be isolated to the right side of the equation or to the left. Ikaw bahala, no? But in my preference, nilalagay ko yung constant dito. And also make sure that your leading coefficient is 1. So let's do that. So first, I'm going to transfer the constant. So this will become 3x squared plus 8x. A negative becomes positive. And then I will divide everything by 3 to make the leading coefficient 1. So I have now x squared plus 8x over 3 equals 1. Alright, ito na yung aking bagong quadratic equation, simplified form. Now, remember, when you complete the square, ang gagawin natin is we identify our b. Alright, we identify our b. Ano ba yung b natin? So, our b is actually 8 over 3. 8 over 3. And then, after that, we divide that 1 by 2. So, this is just equal to 8 over 3 over 2. Or simply, this is just equal to 8 over 3 times 1/2, right? When you divide fractions, gagawin natin is yung ating divisor will get the reciprocal of that one, and then what? Proceed to multiplication. Reciprocal ng 2 is 1/2, so we do that. So this is now 8 over 6. And then we square that, so b over 2, we square that. So this is now 8 over 6 squared, or simply 64 over 36. Or again, we can actually simplify this one. This is actually equal to 4 over 3, right? That's 4 over 3. And then this is 16 over 9. So this is 16 over 9. Alright, so since we have that, all we have to do now is to add both sides by 16 over 9. So we'll do that. So you're gonna go 6 squared, 8x squared, sorry, plus 8x plus 3 plus 16 over 9 equals, now remember, 1 is just equal to 9 over 9, right? So this is 9 over 9, and again plus 16 over 9. Now, the direct consequence of completing the square is this will become a perfect square trinomial, and this can be expressed as a square of a binomial, right? So this is now equal to what? X plus our b over 2, which is 4 over 3. We have 4 over 3 squared, and this is now 25 over 9. Alright, 16 plus 9 is actually 25. And then to solve for x, we extract the square root both sides. So this will become x plus 4 over 3, and then plus minus 5 over 3. Alright, so let us try to solve for x. So we'll do x sub 1 equals 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3. X sub 2 will be negative 5 over 3 minus 4 over 3. So this now becomes, this is 4, 5 less 4, that's 1 over 3. And then the other one is negative 5 minus 4, that's 9 over 3. So that's negative, by the way. So our answers will be 1/3 and a negative 3. Ito yung ating mga x values. Alright, so let's try to look at his answer. So, ano nangyari dito? Eto, I think something went wrong here. Eto, bakit siya 3 over 3? Alright? That is also true naman, no? 3 over 3 is 1. But then again, make sure that ang aim natin dito is to have a common denominator, which should be 9. Alright? That should be 9. So, this is 9, 9. So, that's 25 again. That is why meron akong 25 dito. Alright? So, ito yung ating roots of that one. Alright? So, if we want to factor this one out, kung hinahanap mo yung factors, ang gagawin mo lang is ito. So, factors will be x, no. Factors will be, alright. Factors will be, we have 3, hindi nakikita yung pen. Factors will be 3x plus 1 times x plus 3. Alright, now that should be minus 1. Sorry. It should be minus 1. Wait. It should be 3x minus 1. Alright? Bakit ganyan? Kasi nga, when we do 3x plus 1, minus 1, and then solve for x, this will become what? This will become 3x equals 1. So, x equals 1/3, which is this one. And then yung isa naman, when we do x plus 3 equals 0, this is again x equals negative 3, which is this one. So, ito yung ating solution. Alright? So, may konting mali lang dito. Again, dito na part, yan na part. Alright? But, yung start natin, ito, that is very good, no? Ito. Yan, tama yan, by far. Including this one. So, again, nagkamali ka lang dito. That should be 9 over 9. Para maging the same yung denominator. And then, add mo siya, that's 25 over 9. And then, the square root of that one will be, eto, plus minus 5 over 3. Yun lang naman. Alright?